Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's video, what I'm going to be describing is about leather cleaning. This is the process that I use to clean my leather in my vehicle, and a process what you can use in yours to make it looking nice. So let's get on with it. So obviously again, my Audi A4, which I will be cleaning the leather on today. As you see, I've got full leather interior in my car, which isn't looking too bad. It's looking a bit shabby, like you got bits of dirt down there, and obviously on the steering wheel, because the steering wheel gets used a lot, it's got a shiny finish to it. So I'll be showing you how to remove that shiny finish and also clean it all up. First stage of the leather clean is to give it a good hoover, get all the crumbs off and all of the dust off the seats ready for cleaning. Right, so a good tool for using when cleaning your seats down is a crevice tool. Help you get into all them cracks, get everything off of them. Right, so the next stage now, we're now going to start cleaning the leather. So what I'm going to need is a few tools to now clean the leather. So what I'm going to need is a soft brush, a microfiber. Then I also use a detailing brush as well. These are just the Valid Pro ones, do the job. And then finally, a leather cleaner. Right, so when I clean my seats down, I like to work in sections. So I start with the seat base, onto the seat back, then do each individual seat bolster. Right, so this is my cleaning process. What I like to do is spray the seat, get your brush, using your brush, working your cleaner into the seat. So once I've gave it a good brush down, what I like to do, then get your detailing brush, spray a bit of cleaner onto that, and then go over the seat with the detailing brush, and then that will make your cleaner foam up, as you can see. I just feel it has a bit more cleaning action if you do it that way. It might do nothing, but that's my way and it works for me. Right, so now that's done. Next bit, get your microfiber, leave your clean to soak for a few seconds, don't wipe it straight off. Once you've let it soak for a few seconds, then get your microfiber, get it all a good wipe down. Like so. Once you wiped it down, either get a new microfiber, a new clean one, or what I do, I just use a dry bit of the microfiber and get it all another wipe down just to buff up the leather. Leather shouldn't have a shiny look to it. It should have a nice, dull, natural looking look. If it's shiny, it needs another clean. So it might take 2 or 3 processes to get it looking the way you want. that's that done. So next time what we need to now apply is a leather cream balm to obviously re-nourish the leather and prevent it from drying out. Right, so what I use to apply the leather balm is use one of these little microfiber sponges, obviously your leather balm, and then a clean microfiber that you haven't already used. So let's get on with it. Right, so my process for obviously putting the leather balm on: get your microfiber sponge, little dots, don't need a lot, doesn't take a lot to do it, and then put your mitt on and then rub it in. Right, so once that's rubbed in, what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then wipe it off again. Right, so let's move on and do the rest of the seat. Look who's come to say hello. Another thing not to forget about when you clean your seats, don't forget about down the sides of the seats and anything what's around the back. Make sure you clean them as well, because they do get dirty as well. What I'm going to show you now is just a quick clean on your steering wheel, because obviously with your steering wheel, that gets used every time you drive your car. So as you see with mine, I've got some shiny leather, so I'm going to just show you a quick clean with that. Right, so when I'm cleaning my steering wheel, what I like to do, get your microfiber and just hold it up against your windscreen. So what I find when you're scrubbing, what will happen is you'll get all the splash back onto your windscreen, then you've got to clean your windscreen. Yeah, you can clean your windscreen after, but if you're not cleaning your windscreen, it saves you from having to do it. So same process as you would do with a seat, just spray. Obviously your cleaner on and then you scrub. Right, so once you've scrubbed, obviously let it soak in and then wipe it down with the microfiber that you've just been using to shield your windscreen. And then use another clean one to buff it up. Well, that went annoying. Finished cleaning all the leather, and look, the cat decides to walk in the car with his muddy paws. So guess what I've got to do again? Right, so thank you for watching this video. This video is obviously give you a brief description on how to clean your leather. Hope it's gave you a good insight on where to start, how to set up and pick up your own procedures. Try different bits, obviously taking to note some of the tips that I've just given you in this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you and have a good day.